Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to teach you how to color isolate in Snapseed. Okay, so in the first picture I'm going to isolate red, so I'm sharing from Google Photos to Snapseed directly, and when the photo is in Snapseed we can apply one of the looks below, but for this tutorial I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, so in order to isolate one of the colors, just select the brush tool and select saturation. Now put it -10 and select the eye. Okay, this way you can see where you need to touch with your brush to remove color. Okay, so we are removing all the color and leaving red. Okay, so on the first pass we don't give so much attention to detail. Now we are going to work on a red. Okay, so instead of, you need to press the right arrow and put it on eraser saturation, and now with a lot of detail you have to paint again where you messed up in the first color removal. Okay, so touching the picture with two fingers you can zoom in and zoom out, and also move the square, the blue square you see there. Okay, so you just need to be patient and work with accuracy. Okay, now again -10 saturation, and with detail you paint again to remove color. Zoom out, zoom in. So if you want to have a look at how it's going, so you just need to click again the eye and you will see how it is going. Okay, so almost finishing. Okay, really good. And now, as I told you, can press the eye and have a look. Okay, for me it's good enough. So just need to select the OK and press done. Before you press done you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows. Etc. Okay, so right now you can press done and the photo will be exported to your smartphone. Okay, so I also prepared two more photos, and now we are going to isolate yellow. So the steps are the same, and the video right now will be a little bit faster just for you to see how it works. So you just need to follow the same steps we done in the first example. And now another one. Okay, let's have a look at in full screen how the pictures or the photos look like. Okay, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and don't forget to check out other tutorials for Snapseed in my channel. Thank you and see you on the next video.